Most focaccia turns out dense and greasy. The secret? It's not the oven, it's how you proof and oil your dough. Here's the exact method to get that restaurant-quality crust every time. Step 1. Mix 500 grams flour, 325 milliliters warm water, 10 grams salt, and 7 grams instant yeast. Knead for 10 minutes until smooth. The dough should be slightly sticky. This creates the airy crumb. Step 2. Bulk ferment for 4 to 6 hours at room temperature. You'll see bubbles forming and the dough doubling in size. This long, slow rise develops flavor and structure. Step 3. Pour 60 milliliters olive oil into a sheet pan. Transfer the dough and gently stretch it to fill the pan. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Don't fight it. Let gravity do the work. Step 4. Create deep dimples across the entire surface with your fingertips. Drizzle another 30 milliliters olive oil over top. Sprinkle fleur de sel and rosemary. Bake at 220 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown. Pro tip: the biggest mistake? Not using enough oil or skipping the long fermentation. Both create that signature crispy, tender texture. What's your go-to focaccia topping? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.